Good morning, boys and girls at Bizac. It's Miss Sardi here to do your art today. We are going to be doing found object self-portraits. A self-portrait is a picture, a painting, a sculpture, or even a collage of a face. We are going to be doing self-portraits today, so that means it's going to be a portrait of ourselves. Okay, boys and girls, for today's lesson, you don't need any supplies. You just need to use objects you find around your home. Now, I suggest getting a white paper, and it makes a nice background so you can see your portrait better. And also when you take a picture of it to send to me, then we can see it really clearly. The first thing you want to do is collect a plate. Okay, this yellow plate is going to serve as my face. And then you'll collect all the other items for your eyes, your nose, and your mouth. And because this is a self-portrait, I have collected items that are mostly art supplies because I love art. You can collect things that represent yourself, or it can just be totally random. That's fine, whatever you want. Now, it's going to be a good idea to watch the video, and then you can go collect your supplies. While you watch, you might get some ideas for different objects you can use. Okay, so let me get started with my found object portrait. Okay, so on my white background, I'm going to start with my plate. Now, I've chosen a yellow plate because yellow is one of my favorite colors, but anything you have at home will do just fine. I had some wool in my supplies, so I'm going to use that for the hair. And this is a self-portrait, so the hair should look like your hair. Now, of course, I don't have purple hair, but I would like to have purple hair. But I've made my hair long and straight, just like mine is. I'm also going to add a nice bow in my hair, because you remember from our art classes, I always have a nice bow. Now, for my eyes, I have found two little tapes. They'll do just perfect, but I think I need a pupil inside. So for that, I have found myself some pom-poms, and I'm going to use blue ones because my eyes are blue and this is self-portrait. This pastel will do just perfect for the nose. Now, probably the longest part of this is going to be you gathering your supplies. It took me a while to decide what to use. Assembling it is quite easy, so really finding the things is what you're going to spend time on. Now, for the mouth, I absolutely love pom-poms, so I'm going to have some more. And what else do I love? Rainbows. So let me do a nice rainbow mouth. Of course, I'm going to make it into a smile. Ooh, a nice rainbow smile. Okay, so that will do just good for my mouth. And to make it look like yourself, you can add accessories. So I'm going to add these for my ears and my earrings. And I would love to see your self-portrait looking a little bit like you. So that could be with your hair or the accessories. And I've used all art supplies, so that tells the person looking at it a little bit about my personality. Now, one thing I always wear in art class is my favorite necklace. So I'm going to put that right there and fix my hair. Having a bit of a bad hair day today, aren't I? Okay, and some final touches. I'm going to add a little paintbrush because that represents me. My badge. Hi, I'm Mrs. Sardi. And my Rainbow Hunter badge. Okay, boys and girls, and there we have it, a found object portrait. Now you can go gather your supplies and then spend some time arranging it. Remember, it's a good idea to get the plate first so you can see what fits. Don't forget to tidy up after yourself, Okay, it's your job and your responsibility to tidy everything away. Before you do that, please take a picture so I can see these beautiful found object portraits. Okay, have fun.